Well, I have an idea for the next mosaic, and it's gonna be really cool, I think. All right. So, all right, let's begin. Time to solve. So we have to start from the bottom row. The last cube. All done. Let's go. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh man. All right. First row. Let's start this. Boom. There we go. You won't be able to guess. I can give you a hint right here. All right, this is going to be a hint, all right? This right here is a knee.
One day later.
How's everyone doing? How was yesterday? Should I mess with y'all, or do you know what it's gonna be? Do you want to know what it's gonna be when I finish it here? Or do you want to know what it's gonna be when it's on the wall? On the wall? Because I could skip this part and make it so you can't tell what it is right now. All right. Okay. The last one right here. Boom. Aha. Yeah, you definitely cannot read that. That is good. Are we ready? Because I gotta go pee. I'm gonna go pee and then we're gonna get started. I have everything assembled. I am using 8 boxes. You know, I did 4 on here yesterday and today, but in total it is 8 boxes now. I had to split it up into different chunks so I could execute my vision here. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna go pee. Check 1, check 1, check 1, 2. You know how we do, you know how it is. We out here. Gonna get this mosaic done tonight, right now, at twitch.tv/Pascal_ every Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. Standard Time. All right. Oh my goodness. I'll be back, okay? You could, I'll keep it up just so you could keep seeing it. Take a look at it. I'm not back, but I wanted to show you my food. All right. What? How do you know about my cakes? Who told you about my cakes? All right. Today is 6/7. Get this started. Ladies and gentlemen, it's done. It's complete. And then the reveal. And honestly, we could like cycle the Megabonk through and just keep it in a loop. Oh, that's gonna be so cool. You know what I mean? So from here, from this frame, just keep rolling Megabonk over and over. I mean, it'd be cool if I kept going off. That'd be kind of cool, honestly. I kind of want to do it, but I'm tired. I'm honestly tired. Why? Why do I have such genius ideas? It looks exactly the same. I feel like I'm going crazy out here. I've been stuck in this room for way too long. All right. So this is what we did. He's coming. He's crashing down. Boom! It explodes because he does the mega bonk. The mega what? The mega bonk. This is where we were at, and then check it out. Boom! And then I added the little A. I fixed the little A at the end, like, because I feel like it's gonna trigger people. It triggered me. I didn't notice the A didn't have a little hole in it. Okay. Everyone's A has to have a hole in it. Everyone's A has to have a hole in it. Castle 6-7. Wow, I actually did say that, huh? Okay. I'll catch you next week. And remember, we're only human.